In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on Squarespace, ensuring your website looks exactly how you envision. Whether you're looking to give your site a unique flair or simply align the typography with your brand, changing the font can make a huge difference. Let's get started. First, head over to your Squarespace home. The home dashboard is your starting point, the central hub where you can manage all of your site's features. Once you're here, find and click on the Website option. Clicking on Website will take you to the main configuration area where most of the customization happens. Next, you'll need to navigate to Site Styles. This section controls the overall aesthetic of your site and offers a myriad of customization options to ensure your design is cohesive. Once in Site Styles, look for the small arrow next to Fonts. Clicking on this arrow will open up the font settings where you can begin to make your changes. You will then click on All Font Packs. This is where Squarespace shines, offering a robust library of fonts for you to choose from. These font packs collectively ensure that every text element on your website, from headings to buttons, works in harmony. Browsing through these options, try to imagine how each font will complement the different sections of your site. After selecting a font pack, set the base size. This adjusts the foundational size for all fonts, impacting readability and aesthetic across devices. It's crucial to choose a base size that ensures text remains legible on both desktops and mobile devices. Continuing from there, click on Headings. Here you can choose specific fonts for your headings, vital for maintaining a hierarchy on your website. A good rule of thumb is to select a more prominent or bolder font for headings to easily guide users through the content. Then proceed to the Paragraphs section. This allows you to set the font style for your body text. Given that paragraphs are usually the most read text on your site, it's important to choose a font that's easy on the eyes. Moving on to Buttons, click on it to customize the font settings for your calls to action. This is crucial because buttons are often where interactions happen. A well-chosen font here can guide your audience to take action. Now, click on Miscellaneous. This option lets you adjust fonts for other text elements that don't fall under headings, paragraphs, or buttons, ensuring consistency across your entire site. Finally, it's time to choose a font. In this section, experiment by typing in a word or phrase to see how it looks in the chosen font. This is a great opportunity to try out a few options before finalizing your decision. Remember to type in some text in the highlight area to preview how these fonts will appear in action. This testing phase is invaluable in ensuring your chosen fonts convey your desired message and aesthetics. Once you're satisfied with the changes, simply save your work to enjoy the new look of your Squarespace site.